Namaste, my name is Jay Saran. I am from class 8B. Today I am going to say about the geography lesson resources. What are resources? Resources, anything that can be used to satisfy a need. So, what are source? Source, the main thing that from which a resource is made. So, source are used to make resources. Example of a source is cotton is used to make a cotton cloth. So, cotton is here a source. So, what are resource? Resource, anything that can be used to satisfy a need. We use rickshaw to reach home. In this sentence, rickshaw is a resource. So, sources are converted into resources as we learned. So, here bamboo is converted into cloth and river water is used for cleaning, etc. So, characters of a resource: utility, value, economical value. Utility, a resource which is in the form of object or substance. Example, as we learned, rickshaw, cotton, electricity, water, etc. Value means worth. Things become resource only when they have a value in the society. It also says that the resource are only when they are needed. So let's see what is economical value. So grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patent and sold by a medical firm, they could become economical valuable. So let's see types of resources. So the types of resources are natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. So, what are natural resources? Resources drawn from nature and used without modification is called natural resources. These resources are no need to be no need to be converted into anything. It can be used directly. So many of these resources are free gift of nature and can be used directly. As we learned, technology may not be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. So, natural resources are these characters: level of development and use, origin, stock, distribution. So, here we can have a chain: potential resource and actual resources. When we use these both resources equally, the level of development and use are increased. So let's see what is actual resource and potential resource. Resource whose quantity is known and used in present. Example, the rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region in Germany. Actual resources are used millions, thousands of years ago. So they are common in the society. Potential resources whose quantity is not known and used in the future. So 200 years ago, high speed winds were a potential resource and not known their values. But now in Netherlands, wind farm energies generate electricity. So now wind are also an actual resource. So natural resource is based on two types of natural resource, that are abiotic and biotic. So let's see what are they. Abiotic resource are non-living, example rock, mineral, soil, etc. Biotic resources are living, examples plants and animals. So there are two. So renewable resource and non-renewable resource makes natural resource. Let's see what are they. So renewable resources which can be renewed or replenished quickly. These are unlimited resource. This can be used profitably and save the nature. This cause no harm to the nature. Example, solar energy, wind energy, etc. Water seems to be unlimited renewable resource. If we use water profitably, water also can be unlimited resource. So what is non-renewable resource? Resource which cannot be renewed or replenished quickly. It takes, once the stock is exhausted, it takes 1,000 years to be renewed. So it has to be recycled. So examples of this are petroleum and coal, etc. So let's see a few examples of renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resources: solar energy, water, wind. Non-renewable resources: phosphate, oil, limestone. So here let's learn what is ubiquitous, distribution, localized. Ubiquitous resources which are found everywhere. Example, air. Localized resources that are found in certain place. Example, copper and iron ore. Note, the distribution of natural resource depends on number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. So these are the factors which can which are natural resources. The distribution of natural resource is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. So, what is human-made resources? This is a second type of resource. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. So, roads, bridges, machinery, vehicles are the examples of human-made resources. So, what are human resources? This is our third type of human resource. People are human resources. Education, help is making people as a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resource known as human source development. Conserving resources, as we've seen that exhaustible resources can take thousands of years to replenish back, so it is very important to conserve it. Resource conservation, using the resource carefully and giving them time to get renewed, is called resource conservation. Sustainable development, carefully utilizing resource so that besides meeting the requirement of the present also takes care of future generation. The future of our planet and its people is linked with the ability to maintain the preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it's our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resource are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to natural environmental system should be minimized. Thank you.